In this video, I'm going to teach you how to share a calendar with family on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If a family member has created a calendar full of events, full of appointments, and they would like to share it with other members of the family, this can be easily done through an iPhone, through a Mac, or any device that supports the Apple Calendar. Every single family member will have access to those events. They will be able to see the schedule, the dates, the locations, and so on. To do this, open Apple Calendar on any device. For this video, of course, I'm going to be talking about how to do it through the iPhone app. On your iPhone, when you open the Apple Calendar, you will see the option to check out all of the calendars at the bottom. So choose Calendars, and you will see a list of them here. They are going to be sorted according to your preferences, and they are easy to access, especially if you color-coded them. So for example, this yellow one is color-coded for family. Find the specific calendar that you would like to share and choose this information icon right beside it. By tapping on this information icon, you will see the title of this particular calendar and finally the option to share it with other people. So all that you have to do is tap on Add Person. This will bring up another menu where you can look for your family members. You can choose multiple members at once and add them all at once. So use the search function available at the top to filter out specific members and choose from your contacts. Once you have selected everyone who you would like to send the invite to, choose the option Add at the top right. This will send them the invite. This is what it looks like. They will find this notification on their inbox. The inbox option is right beside calendars, so one of you will have to send invites by going to calendars, and everyone else will accept by going to the inbox. Once they choose the option to join the calendar, they will be able to see this particular calendar that was shared with them. They will see all of the events, all of the appointments, and every single information attached to them. I hope I was able to help you on how to share calendar with family on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.